Hello guys! So nagkaroon tayo ng Igorot Blade Owners Blade Contest. This is the second time. Yung theme natin sa palaro na ito is Modern Native. So yung modern blade profile na gagamitin natin is buoy on a nihalong handle or hollow handle. So dapat makikita natin yung combination ng modern at traditional way of making. Traditional in a context of Ifugao blades. Ayan, so ito yung mga outputs nila. Ito yung entry number 1. Gawa ni Dondon ng Dimin Jones Sharp Blades, Ubao, Aguinaldo. And so, kikita natin yung profile niya sa modern blade profile, buoy. Okay, may finger guard siya dito. Ito yung nihalong handle niya. Yan. So, open scabbard, traditional scabbard ng Ifugao Blades. Contestant number 1, entry number 1. Ito yung entry number 2 natin. May strap siya. And ito yung profile niya. Modern, pati yung mga serration, ayun. And isa sa feature nito is yung handle, yung rattan wrapping ng handle niya. Okay. Output ito, entry number 2 ng contestant number 2 natin, Conrad Pinayan, Banawe. Ito yung entry number 3 natin. Blade profile. Hindi lang masyadong kita kasi yung tapered niya dito. Tapered yung itong part. Yan. So may finger guard na rin. Hollow handle. Okay, so ito yung pinakamagaan sa kanila. Lightweight. Gawa ito ni Dexter Dulnuan ng Banawe. Contestant number 3, entry number 3. Criteria for judging is 40% yung design niya, modern and native. 40% yung cutting test natin. Strength test lang yung ginawa natin so far. Okay naman silang tatlo. And yung 20% would be coming from our online votation. Thank you for supporting and tuning in with our channel. God bless us all.